Hey guys, Donovan Becker here with Abstract Throttle again. And I actually had a request to do a video on removing the wiring and everything, cleaning up the engine bay. And today that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you how to pull my wiring and everything else out of my car so that way I can actually build a transmission cross member. And I've already cleaned most of the leaves and stuff out, and we're going to go ahead and get all the wiring, everything else out, and we're going to see if we can build a transmission cross member sometime. Maybe I should have pulled these off first. So we're kind of losing daylight here, but I'm going to move along as quick as I can. Now, something that I actually learned from Roadkill, I don't know if you can see that, but it's zip ties holding up my spark plug wires together. Yeah, that's off. And already starting to look better. Really don't feel like taking it off. And yes, that is a custom piece I bought for the, built for the throttle cable. Basically what I'm doing now is I'm going to take all the vacuums off so I can get to the bolts for the throttle body. And my light's not very good. Kind of waited a little late to do this, but let's get those throttle body bolts out of there. Those actually aren't the throttle body bolts, they're the actually the upper end of the intake manifold, which the throttle body is connected to, along with my duct tape. So I got this on. I'm just going to lay it over here somewhere.